Let's explore constants in Go, values that never change. In this video, we'll uncover how constants work in the Go programming language and how they can be useful in your projects. So, what exactly are constants? Constants are fixed values that cannot be modified during program execution. They represent unchanging data like mathematical constants, configuration values, and enum-like identifiers. Constants are useful for defining values that should not change during the program's execution. Here is the basic syntax for declaring constants. To declare a constant, you use the keyword const, followed by the name of the constant and equals sign, and the value you want to assign to the constant. For example, const pi equals 3.14159. Const greeting equals hello. Const is active equals true. You can also declare multiple constants in a group using parentheses. For example, const open parenthesis pi equals 3.14159, e equals 2.71828, greeting equals hello, close parenthesis. This is a convenient way to declare multiple related constants. Constants in Go can be either typed or untyped. Type constants have an explicit type specified, just like variables. For example, const age and equals 25. Here we are explicitly specifying that the constant age is of type integer. Untyped constants, on the other hand, have their type inferred from the context in which they are used. For example, const pi equals 3.14159. In this case, the type of pi is inferred to be a floating point number based on the value assigned to it. Now let's talk about iota. Iota is a special constant generator that is used to create a series of related constants. It is particularly useful for creating enumerated types. Here's a basic example of iota. Const open parenthesis equals iota, b, c, d close parenthesis. In this case, a will be 0, b will be 1, c will be 2, and d will be 3. Iota automatically increments with each constant in the block. This makes it easy to create a sequence of increasing values. Here's another example, using iota to define the days of the week. Const open parenthesis Sunday equals iota, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday close parenthesis. Sunday will be 0, Monday will be 1, Tuesday will be 2, and Wednesday will be 3. Each subsequent constant is automatically assigned the next integer value. Iota can also be used to create more complex patterns. For example, you can use it to define powers of 2. Const open parenthesis kb equals 1 left shift 10 multiplied by iota, mb gb close parenthesis. Here kb will be 1024, mb will be 1,048,576, and gb will be 1,073,741,824. You can also skip values in an iota sequence by using the blank identifier, underscore. Const open parenthesis a equals iota, underscore c, d equals iota multiplied by 2 close parenthesis. In this case, a will be 0, c will be 2, and d will be 6. The underscore skips the value 1, and d is assigned the value of iota multiplied by 2. Constants can also be defined using expressions. This allows you to create constants that are derived from other constants or values. Constant expressions can include mathematical operations. Const open parenthesis pi equals 3.14159, area equals pi multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, half equals 1.0 divided by 2 close parenthesis. Constants can also use built-in functions such as len and complex. Const open parenthesis message equals hello, length equals len open parenthesis message close parenthesis, complex equals complex open parenthesis 1, 2 close parenthesis close parenthesis. The value of length will be 5, and the value of complex will be 1 plus 2i. Here are the key takeaways from this video. Constants are immutable values, meaning their values cannot be changed after they are declared. Constants can be either typed or untyped, giving you flexibility in how you define them. Iota enables auto-incrementing patterns, making it easy to create sequences of related constants. Constants support expressions and built-in functions, allowing you to define constants based on calculations and other values. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.